Ready?
On the 24th of June 2023, our very, very own Burna Boy was in St. Kitts and Nevis for the St. Kitts Music Festival. And one thing that really stood out for me was the way they welcomed him like a king, like the king that he is. Yes, Burna Boy, Odogu, African giant, received the kind of welcome that you give royalty, because that's exactly what he is. We don't give him enough accolades here at home in Nigeria or in Africa, but when he goes abroad, man, he gets it, because he's not just an African giant anymore, he's a worldwide giant. Now, after that, later in the evening, he performed hits and hits and hits. And one thing that really stood out for me was the way they sang some of his songs word for word. Oh, those were very, very spiritual and elevated moments. So check it out. And then after Burna Boy, we have some Koffee. Koffee is a lovely Jamaican artist that is doing her thing, and I love her so much as well. So I decided to include her in this video.
But no way be to come to last. So give me a make you. I don't want nobody to make my heart again. All the time I want to be celebrated. Always again, I want to spend them on enjoyment. Then I'll be right there. So they come check you, my baby. My God is on probation. Let's bring girls to his location. You want to have by my side. What? Whenever I'm loaded, you make me feel cold. Whenever I'm loaded, you never my soul. Wherever you are, that's where I'm on my own. Whenever you die, I'll be there to go. Whoa, I want to be dancing with you forever. You sing to the storm and take me as I am.
I think it's on a reason. I'm just like, we give thanks that we really supposed to be. Yeah, second. What I got for the journey, the earnings are just for the. So I got to do I come in with a blessings when I reap away. I sing it to an horizon. Sure. I'm gonna say that we give thanks like we is supposed to be. Yeah, thank it. We thank God for the journey, the earnings, not just for the. That's what blessings upon me. I'm sending to tell them a story. Yeah, that's what blessings upon me. And that's what I'm gonna give them the time. That was a question. Money I'm cookies, so I got let them match up my nana. Say them match up my nana. But yes, some more work up. Money make and no make. Niggas straight to the bed. Take a bed, see a letter.